Hey guys, it's Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you a little vlog of what I've been doing the last couple days. I'm on the back end of a cold, so hence the messy bun, the chapped lips, the red nose, and the funny sounding voice. But I've recently started selling some of my breads, and I had ordered a gift certificate for a Bread of the Month Club deal that I was starting to implement, so I wanted to show you those, and just a little bit of a vloggy type video of the last few days, just doing a few projects, baking some cookies for my husband's work clients, and just a few other things. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. That really helps me out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video, which is actually pretty often. So yeah, we'll just hop right into it. So here is the front side of my new Bread of the Month Club memberships gift certificates. And what customers are going to be able to do is fish odor. Watch out. Move. Move, baby, move. So what customers are going to be able to do is purchase these for themselves or for friends and give them as gifts. And you can start at any time and do 3, 6, or 12 months and fish odor. And they'll be able to do 3, 6, or 12 months at a discounted price. They'll get a loaf of bread every month, and it'll be a different specialty flavor every month. And it'll be the same weekend every month. And based on how long of a membership they choose is how discounted the breads will be. And so I thought it'd be neat to make something that people could actually put under the tree or in a stocking, and have like a physical gift certificate to give to their family members or friends. So I came up with this little thing. And if you're local, go ahead and hi, baby. So if you're local, go ahead and check me out. The back of it looks like this, so that you've got a couple of color pictures of some of the breads that I've baked in the past. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you today.
Right there. Okay. We're going to see if we can do this. Okay, Charlotte, I'm going to lift you. It's going to be really high.
Uh-oh.
Okay, look. Okay, ready? Okay, this part right here, in there, stick that part. Okay? Alright, here we go. We're going high. I got you, though.
Daddy got you. Daddy's got you. Reach, baby, reach. Daddy's a little bit more.
Let me get another grip at her.
Okay. No. It's Charlotte's turn this year.
Charlotte's turn this year, right? Okay, ready? It's my year. Here we go. Ready?
Well, Daddy's just got to grab her from lower. Go, baby, reach.
Let go of me.
Let go of Daddy's arm. You're okay. No. Why don't you grab the ladder?
You don't want to do it anymore?
Here, hold on, hold on.
What's under the ladder? You want Sterling? You want me to do it this time? Charlotte wants to do this ladder. But I was about to use the ladder last time.
I know, that's a little cheating for Sterling, but don't worry, you'll get to next time, buddy.
Second Christmas is far.
Next
Oh,
Christmas?
it's only a year away.
It's only a year away.
Second Christmas is a year away.
Yeah, alright, Charlotte.
Why do we have to
I'll hold this.
put
Start
another
climbing.
star on it?
Hold on. Hold on, you gotta go that way. I've got you. I've got you.
Daddy's got you. You're not going anywhere.
No, I'm going.
You want to go back down? You got it. You got it. Lean. Daddy's not going to let you fall.
If you're scared,
You got it. Just lean.
if you don't.
Sterling.
Shh.
I've got you, baby. Hold on. There you go.
Yay. Let's plug it in.
Well, hold on. We're gonna go down.
Oh, I have an idea. How about Sterling gets to plug it in?
Yeah, Sterling will get to the plug-in.
Yes!
Alright, slowly come down, baby.
I didn't plug in the last
I think so. Wait.
Hey, fishy.
One more. There you go,
I
baby.
could do it myself.
Very
Fish showed her
good.
stop.
I can tell. You can do it all yourself. Climb up. No, we gotta climb up.
All right, hop down. Come on, buddy. Get down.
Where does Sterling plug it in
See
at?
this? Okay, got this. It's right here. Ready? Here, I'll turn this part. There you go. I got you.
I'm ready.
What?
Yay!
Yay!
Good job, buddy. Good job. Here.
We may have strayed slightly from the building materials. Whoops.
What?
We went to the Christmas stuff instead of staying with Daddy and Sterling in the building area. Oh, we're going back that direction.